Happy holiday, you filthy animals. Today we're gonna make a pretty silly cocktail. This is a combination of Miller High Life, Aperol, and Amaretto. It's a Baltimore tradition. Well, not really, but maybe soon. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna take pony bottles of Miller High Life and combine two different cocktails that I've had at Baltimore bars. The first one is called a Spaghett, and it uses, first of all, take a little sip. A bottle of Miller High Life with a little bit of Aperol. That there is the Spaghett. It's kind of like an Aperol Spritz, but just with the High Life instead of Prosecco. Then we're gonna add a little bit of Amaretto. That is another drink called a pepper. I used to drink those in Highlandtown in Canton with my buddy Danny Coker. Why is it called a pepper? Well, I think it's because it tastes a little bit like Dr. Pepper. I think it needs a little bit more Amaretto. Oh, that's a silly drink. So if you take hot Miller High Life, you take a sip out of it and you add some Amaretto, that's a pepper. If you have a Miller High Life and you take a sip out of it and you add some Aperol, that's called Spaghett. It's a really fun holiday drink and it's very, very, very silly. Cheers, happy holidays. Cheers, drink responsibly. Ooh, ah. Ooh, happy holidays. That's a fun cocktail. Spaghett and pepper.
Spaghetti pepper.
Spaghetti pepper.